back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title, I will be doing a short tutorial. I'm not going to be doing my whole entire head. I'm just gonna do some in the front because in the back it was quite difficult, so I had to ask my cousin to come and help me part the back because you guys know I can't see for nothing. Like, it can be a struggle trying to figure out how to part the back. So I had my little cousin, and I'm so thankful for her. Yes, so I had my little cousin come over and help me like part the back because it was just a struggle. I'm just gonna explain to y'all on exactly what I did, what I used, whatever steps I took. And I did do the rubber band method. So I applied the rubber band, I had the crochet needle, inserted the crochet needle through my hair, and then added the hair, and then I tied the knot, and then I just twisted down. So I'm just going to show you guys a short demo on exactly what I did. But before I start, I just want to show you guys exactly what I used before I even install like this cute style in my hair. Yes, it is so cute. And also, guys, excuse the background, okay? Like, yes, excuse the background. Got the window and all, but it is what it is. I came to show y'all one thing, so focus on this and not on that. Let me just show you guys exactly what I use in order before I install this hair. So I went ahead and I washed my hair thoroughly using the Heavenly Love. I spoke about these products before in one of my previous videos, and I love these products so much. Like, the shampoo and the conditioner is not harsh on the hair. It gently cleanses the hair, and the conditioner is like a deep conditioner as well, so you can leave it up to your hair like 5 to 10 15 minutes. I do, and I love the way like it detangles my hair. And then once after that, I just used the Jane Carter Solution leave-in conditioner. So I just applied this onto my hair, and I just left it there, and it was so easy for me to detangle my hair when it was time for me to, like, you know, do the rubber band method, time for me to like just detangle my hair. It was perfect. So the hair that I did use was the Free Tress Braid Crochet Hair Water Wave 22 in the color 1. Y'all know I love jet black. It was $5.99 a pack, and for this hairstyle I used 5 packs in total. And when it pertains to this hair, I guess like it comes with like the single strand. I used 2 of the strands in one section, like in one box. And I didn't make my box small, if you guys can tell, because it's a struggle with me trying to do it by myself. This was my first time, and I didn't even know if I had enough hair, so I didn't want to take the chance. And I did went ahead and I purchased a crochet needle, and in order to slick my hair down so it could blend in with the hair, because I didn't apply any heat to my natural hair. I just didn't want to. So what I did is I got the water bottle spray. Ugh. I got the water bottle spray. I sprayed my ends, and then I drowned it with the Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold. So I didn't apply any heat into my hair, and these two work perfectly together. And at some point I did add the edge booster on some of them, just to see if it works, and it does work. But I really love how the Edge Murray blends the hair even more. This right here slays your edges. And of course you need the rubber bands, handy dandy rubber bands. And yeah, so let's get straight into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do my best to show you guys. Let me bring it closer. 2 strands of hair, put it together, and I twist it. And I don't separate them. I don't separate them because when I apply it in my hair and I'm twisting it, I'll separate it from there. Alright guys, and that's the final results, and that's how I was able to install the crochet water wave into my hair using the rubber band method. And I must say, it is, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. And I'm gonna try this again maybe later on down the line and keep practicing until I actually get close to perfection. But that's the end of the video. If you all enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe and share this video, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.